Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to buy audiobooks on Spotify. First of all, you have to open your Spotify app. On the home page, you will see a new section called Audiobooks, or you can also search audiobooks from the search bar. You have to find and select the audiobook that you want to buy. Once found, click on it. You will see a locked icon in front of the audiobook that you are trying to buy. That's because you haven't bought it yet. To buy it, click on the lock button. Then Spotify will ask you, do you want to listen the audiobook? You have to select Get Email. After that, Spotify will send you an email basically telling you to buy the audiobook. Click on Buy Audiobook, and then your browser will open with the Spotify page basically to redirect you where you can buy it. Click on Buy button, and here you have to enter your home address, your payment details, and each and everything to buy your audiobook. Once you have filled out all of the information, and then you can easily buy an audiobook on Spotify. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe.